I remember some times ago I did a lot of work in Microsoft Word, but I don't really know whether I saved it or not, because when I was trying to retrieve it, I couldn't find it. That was actually too bad. And so what I did the next time, I had to record everything that I was doing. Though that sounds crazy, but with that I got the logic.
So all you need to do is to go to your File tab and click on Recent. These are your recent documents. You can go through the document to see if the one you're looking for is here or not. Now, if it's not here, it might be that you did not save the work. If you didn't save the work, just check under here. You see Recover Unsaved Document. Under Recover Unsaved Document, you have your unsaved document here. So the one you're looking for might be here. These are about 19 documents that I didn't save. So with this, you can retrieve your unsaved file. Another method to have access to your Word files is under File tab. Then click on Open. You'll have this. You can scroll down. This is under My Documents. If you know the location of the work, it will be easier. It might be under the desktop or any folder you defined in your system. So if, for instance, it's on the document, all you need to do is to double click on it. Alright, in case you can't trace it and you're very certain about the name that you use in saving the document, all you need to do is to press your Window and E. Now under here, click on Search this PC. For instance, let's assume the name that you're thinking of is the Dean. So you type in the Dean and you click on Search.
So here we have all the documents using the Dean in this system. So another method to search for existing documents, you can use existing document is by using the search area here. You click on it and you type. For this lesson, we are using the Dean. So you just type the Dean and you have them here. Just double click on it. I don't want to open the document. Just double click on it and it will open. It's as simple as that. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video for more useful tips and tutorials.